Hello, my name is Mark Weiss. I'm the Chief Executive Officer and the founder of the Action Staffing Group. I want to thank you for watching this video. Action Staffing is a company that was founded on the principles of giving people a chance to go out, earn a paycheck, and get themselves established in the community. We're looking for people that are serious about getting ahead, doing an honest day's worth of work, and having a good work ethic. Most importantly, we want to make sure that on the job, safety is being practiced every moment. That's important to you, and that's very important to us. I want to begin by talking a little bit about how we operate and what you can expect working at the Action Staffing Group. First of all, our doors are open to everybody. We embrace diversity, and we're here to give everybody a chance that wants to come in and work with us. For the most part, we focus on light industrial jobs. That means you could find yourself working in a warehouse, a distribution facility, or possibly on the road, either operating or driving a truck, or working as a driver helper. In all of these cases, there are certain principles that we're going to talk about that are requirements of working with us on an everyday basis. Now, what can you expect today? If you're new here, the first thing you're going to do is fill out an application, and that's a comprehensive document that will ask you certain questions about the type of work you've been doing, some basic questions about where you live, and the type of work you've done before. These are things that are all covered in the application. You should also know that we e-verify consistent with the policy of immigration in this country. And we will also have you fill out an I-9, which means you need to have a valid Social Security card with you and a state ID to verify that you live here and are legal to work in this country. We're very serious about making sure that we only employ people that are legal to work in this country. But in any particular case, everything will be handled professionally, and we will go over everything with you when we speak to you at the beginning of your introduction phase with the company. We also conduct random drug testing. Very, very important safety element of working with Action Staffing. We want to make sure that you are fit and ready to go to work safely. So we want to make sure that you're in the best physical condition to do so. And any type of drug abuse, alcohol abuse, or anything else will not be tolerated at Action Staffing Group. It's very, very important to us, and it should be to you. The other thing I want to talk about is dress code. It's very important that everyone that comes to work with us, because you're going to be working in a physical environment, is dressed properly for success. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean that you should be wearing regular fitting work clothes, nothing baggy, nothing oversized. In terms of your footwear, it's advisable to always be wearing work boots when you're in a warehouse or you're on a vehicle. And we prefer steel-toe work boots to protect you from any objects that might fall on you or if you bump into something. Very, very important. In some cases, you may need protective eyewear, protective gloves. Any of these situations will be reviewed with you in detail, depending on the job that's at hand. Now, I want to be clear about this. We never discriminate against anybody for any type of work assignment. However, you must be able to perform the physical requirements of the job. So while we will never talk about the candidate individually, we will always describe to you the work that is being done. That is for your safety and the safety of others. We do not want to put you into a situation where it could be dangerous to anybody, especially yourself. Now, once we sit down and go over your background with you and your qualifications, we will talk to you about the various assignments that are available on any particular day. And in a temp agency, basically you get assigned to work at a client company, and that assignment might be for a day. It might be for several months. You could actually end up getting a direct hire job from the client that you go out to work with. And that really is the ultimate goal here, because we have tracked one of 50 people that starts with Action Staffing Group eventually gets offered a direct position with one of our clients. And quite frankly, I don't want you in these folding chairs very long. I'd like them to be a springboard for you to establish yourself in a career. That's what it's all about here. Opportunity for everybody on an equal basis.